Today, we review the best 5 oven cleaner that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Durgol Swiss Steamer Descaler. It is really simple to clean the oven with this product. After finishing wiping up the oven, there will be no odor left of the oven cleaner. That is honestly a great boon. It's alright if cleaner smells on the table or other furniture. But if oven cleaner smells, it will distort the flavor of the food as well.
Number 2.
KUTTER KK32 Original Concentrated Cleaner. What we like more about the product is its versatility. You can use it to clean your oven, that's true, but you can also use it for cleaning tiles, ladders and building materials. Its super concentrated formula wipes out any hard or soft dirt out there.
Number 3.
Eay-Off Professional Fume Free Max Oven Cleaner. Eay-Off is another brand you can trust when it comes to cleaning. In fact, if you browse through the customer experience, you would know that millions of Americans are using this brand regularly. This lemon-flavored oven cleaner is one of our favorites for its results and fragrance.
Number 4.
Arm & Hammer Baking Soda 4LB. This medium-sized brand came up with an innovative baking soda used for multiple cleaning purposes. You can clean kitchen appliances including oven, you can deodorize the kitchen utensils, and you can also do your laundry with this particular product.
Number 5.
Astonish Oven and Cookware Cleaner. The brand Lite offers you a one-stop solution to cleaning your kitchen efficiently. With this one cleaner you will be able to clean more than just your regular oven. We included this brand in our list of best oven cleaners not for its versatility but for its convenience.